Yesterday, Arizona became the first state to eliminate, not cut back, eliminate its children's health insurance program. The CHIPS program, it's broke. Governor Jan Brewer, Republican, signed off on the budget that will leave nearly 47,000 children in Arizona, low-income children, with no insurance coverage at all. The state of Arizona also will roll back Medicaid coverage for childless adults in a move that is expected to eventually drop 310,000 people in Arizona from the Medicaid rolls. Wow. The Republican-controlled legislature in poor, sad, degenerate Arizona passed this budget last week, based largely on a proposal from this right-wing governor that included deep cuts, not just to health care, but also education. Now, it's not just Arizona. 3 states, including Arizona, had in the last year capped enrollment, brought it to an end in the children's health insurance program, which is financed jointly by state and federal government. 2 of those states, California and Tennessee, quickly removed their caps. According to Jocelyn Geyer, co-executive director of the Center for Children and Families at Georgetown University, she said, quote, "They really are standing alone, Arizona, in cutting children off during the downturn. It's going to have long-term consequences that will be there for kids long after Arizona's budget situation improves." Unbelievable. Now, you know how they could keep it open? Institute a sales tax with a sunset clause of maybe 1 or 2% for anything bought and sold or bought in Arizona by anyone, residents, non-residents. But pay attention to this. This is the future. This is the future. This is what Republicans are doing. This is the whole idea. And you go after the ones who can't defend themselves first. Children and the poor. That's what Hannity did. That's what Hannity does with his scam.
Why don't they increase the price of lottery tickets by a quarter?
No, that's a tax, Kathy. Remember, Republicans don't like taxes. And these little children, these little scum-sucking children, they want health insurance. Take their asses to work. Come on. These kids can do something. They can get out there and shovel sand. This is what Republicans are doing. Do you like it? Huh? Come on, you big badass right-wing cowards. You, especially those of you who run around in your camo outfits. How about this? Huh? Most of you are on unemployment. Eventually, it's going to be your turn. Children. No more health insurance for you, little boy. You have an ear infection? Too bad. So the emergency rooms of the hospitals in the state of Arizona now are going to be flooded, absolutely flooded. The wait times are going to increase dramatically. Oh, nobody's working in Arizona, so I guess it doesn't matter that much, does it? Huh? People can just sit there and wait. This is incredible. This is just incredible. But that's the United States, Republican United States, 2010. Here we are, huh? Grover Norquist's plan is working out. I want to reduce the federal government and the budget to the point where it could be drowned in a bathtub. Well, you start with the poor and the kids, don't you, Grover? You filthy Nazi, huh? But that's what Sean Hannity does. He goes after, you wave the flag. Sean Hannity is a coward, a liar, and now a con artist of the worst kind. everybody contribute money. It'll go to educate the children of dead soldiers after I get my enormous cut. Pigs. Filth. But Sean Hannity gets an award tonight because of his charitable contributions. We'll have the tax return up within the next hour. You take a look at it. You decide. You filthy right-wingers. Have I mentioned yet tonight how much you turn my stomach?